Alright, people, I've been waiting for a new knife to come in the mail. I'm kind of excited about it because here it is, and we're going to open it up and check it out. Been traveling for some time to get here, and now it's here. Big Papa's excited. He thinks it might be food. Right? They really don't want you to get this thing out of the package. I've heard good things about this knife. It comes with a nylon belt sheath, which I like. I can put it on my belt where it's handy. It comes with a dozen, I believe it's a dozen extra blades here, foil wrapped. A dozen of them, plus, nope, there's not one already installed. It don't look like. Okay, so it looks like I gotta install one. It comes with about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep, there's 12 blades. So the blade is replaceable. Comes with a sheath. Like it, like it, like it. Now this is not an ordinary folding pocket knife, as we're going to see. Oh, it does come with a blade installed. Good, because I'm lazy. I don't want to have to put one in there. But you see, so it came with 13 blades. It comes with a blade in it and 12 replacement blades. Now what I like about this knife, it's small, lightweight, folding pocket knife. I mean, it's not real small, it's mid-sized pocket knife, but it's slim. It's got a belt clip you can put on your clip. It's got the nice nylon sheath, a belt loop, and clip, or button there, clasp, closure. It's lightweight material. You can flip it open one-handed. Let me get in the camera here. Let me tell you what the special thing is about this knife. Not only is this a folding pocket knife, but this is a folding surgical scalpel. It's razor sharp. It's sharp enough to operate. It's a folding surgical scalpel is what it is. And that blade is thin and surgical scalpel sharp. That's a surgical scalpel blade. Sharp as sharp can be. Doesn't get any sharper. You can do surgery with this. You can skin animals with this. You can defend yourself with this and protect yourself with this. And if it gets dull, it came with a dozen extra blades after this one. Now this is a pocket knife. A one-handed opener, one-handed closer, the clip, the belt sheath. This knife costed me about $35. And it came pretty quick. I like knives. I have a collection of knives. I got all kinds of knives. I got military knives. I've got a few knives of different types. Folders, daggers, sheath knives. But this is in a class of its own. This is like a Dr. Hannibal Lecter sharp. This is no joke, people. And while we're here, we can go over one other knife in the collection real quick. If you hang on a moment. This is the old classic super automatic. Had one in my back pocket when I was a teenager. Just like this one, black and chrome. Well, this is a vintage classic. And as you can see, it still works. There's a modern folding version, a one-handed opener that's also pretty good. But this is just awesome. Thank you for watching.